Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to disable notifications in the Firefox beta browser on your mobile device. Many users find notifications distracting, and turning them off. First, open the Firefox beta browser on your mobile device. Once the browser is open, tap on the three-dot menu icon. Next, from the menu that appears, tap on Settings. After that, scroll down in the settings until you see Site Settings, which contains controls for how websites behave. Next, select Notifications from the list of options available under Site Settings. Finally, choose the Block option to disable all notifications from websites while using Firefox Beta. By following these simple steps, you can stop unwanted alerts and enjoy a smoother browsing experience. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with friends to help them manage their browser notifications as well.